Hello, my people. This segment is going to be talking about how you can help students find things in the library. Sometimes you'll have people that know what they want, but they don't know how to find it. Sometimes they don't even know what they want. So there are different ways to help these folks out. If you're looking at the screen, the first thing that I would recommend doing to help these people is to open up the OPAC. You might remember from elementary school that OPAC stands for Online Public Access Catalog. Really, all it is the catalog where you can see all the books that we have in our library. If you look on the screen on that purple bar that has all of the different tabs, there is a tab that says OPAC. And if you click on that, it will take you to something that probably look very familiar to you. This is our catalog where you can search for books. If the patron knows what they want, it's very easy to help everybody out, right? Just do the search for the book. Maybe they want the Skeleton Tree, okay? And if you type the title in, it'll pull up the book that you search for. From this screen, everybody seems to want to click on the title for some reason. I'm going to do that real quick. And that's where they get messed up, because the screen that shows where they need to go in the library was on the screen, just one screen before this screen. So they don't really need to click on the title. I don't know why they do that. If you close this back out, let's go back to the original screen. Everything they need to locate that title is right here. Okay, so on the right-hand side, it's where you want to look. It will tell you what part of the library this book lives in. So I'm looking at it. It says Add Adventure Survival, and it gives us a color, brick red. So that means that it's going to be in fiction, right? Because it has a color. And they'll need to walk to that color, and then they'll need to look for the call number. So the call number, if I look on this side of the screen, it says call number, and it says FIC, which I hope that you remember stands for fiction. And then it's got the author's first three letters of their last name, LAW. So if they go to the brick red section, which is adventure and survival, those are adventure and survival books, and they look for LAW in alphabetical order, they should find the book there if it says in. So I'm going to check that real quick. Yes, it says that the book is in. If it says that the book is out, then they're going to want to reserve that book for themselves. And we're going to talk about that a little bit later, about how to help someone reserve a book for themselves so they'll be the next person in line to get the book. But this is how you locate a fiction book. If you need to locate a nonfiction book, let's say they want our new book on sloths, and you type in sloths. There we go. Here's our the new book we've got. If I look on the right-hand side, it says at nonfiction. That's the section of the library they need to walk to. Then they need the call number. And since it's nonfiction, it has a number, a Dewey Decimal number, which is 599.3. All the sloth books are in 599.3. So if they walk to 599.3, they will find all the sloth books there if it is in. And so always check and see if the book is in. The way you find that number when you get back to nonfiction, you've got to look at the signs. All the signs have the numbers on them. You can find 599.3 pretty quickly looking at the large signs, and then look at the little labels on each shelf to find the right shelf that it's on. If you have any questions about this, come ask me, especially nonfiction. Sometimes there's some little details that can be kind of tricky. So just come let me know if you need any help.